Hello, my name is Emil Jensen. I am the CEO of the Mobile Robot Company, and today I would like to introduce you to our J1600 self-driving pallet jack, and I want to show you just how easy it is to add a new drop location for the pallets and send the robot on an automated task. Here we go. This is the J1600. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drive it manually to where I want to create my drop location. As you can see, the J1600 handles just like a regular electric pallet jack. And now we're going to use the big touchscreen to create a new location. Okay, so first thing you do is you click Save Location. And then you give the location a name. Let's call it Pallet Bay 1. And save. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to send the robot on an automated task to drop a pallet at our new location. And now I would like to show you just how easy it is to create new tasks. So if you come closer, we're going back to the screen. We're going to click Create Task button, and we're going to choose Drop Pallet at Location. We're going to choose the Pallet Bay 1 location that we just created. And then we're going to say, okay, just go there, drop the pallet, and stop and wait. Okay, and now execute the task. And the robot will signal that it wants to get into automatic mode, and I have to confirm as the operator that, okay, go into automatic mode. I step back, and the robot starts driving. There you have it, folks. That's how easy it is to create a pallet location and create a task on the J1600. Thank you for watching. Follow us on social media and go to mobilerobot.com for more information.